You don't have to leave a house to enjoy a wild party. Designed for entertaining and long night parties, these homes with comfortable movie theaters, bowling alleys, and private nightclubs will impress even the most critical guests. So put on your fancy clothes. We're starting the tour of these party mansions right now. Built at the tip of one of the fronds that make up Palm Jumeirah, this 11-bedroom villa is the ultimate Dubai party mansion. Boasting 42,000 square feet of luxurious living space, the property offers a beachside lifestyle many can only dream of. Whether you feel like chilling out in the cozy 16-seat cinema, have a meal cooked in a 16-member gourmet kitchen, or dance the night away in a private nightclub, you can do all that here. To balance out your party lifestyle, there is a pool and gym to keep you fit and healthy. The Beachfront Palace also has covered-up parking for up to 7 cars. But since there's sea all around the property, guests are also welcome to arrive on their jet skis. Located in the notorious Bel Air neighborhood of California, this luxury mega mansion is the definition of living large and was once the most expensive home listed in the USA. According to the developer of this estate, Bruce Makowski, the residence is spread over 38,000 square feet, and it is inspired by a design of a luxury yacht. The interior boasts 4 sprawling floors, on which you'll find 12 designer bedrooms, 3 gourmet kitchens, 21 bathrooms, and 350 speakers. There is a stunning 85-foot infinity pool in the center of the floor plan for the wildest pool parties, decked out with a movie screen and swim-up bar. However, there are many more entertaining options in this house. From a bowling alley with golden pins and Louis Vuitton decor all around the house, to a cinema that can seat up to 40 people, as well as a dedicated candy room, it looks like this home was made just for throwing extravagant parties. Originally, it was listed for a whopping $250 million. However, was sold in October 2019 for only $94 million. Even if you know no avenue in Paris, you must have heard about the Champs-Élysées. And just 1 mile from there is located this 13,300 square feet mansion with a restored historical facade. But don't let that old exterior design fool you. Behind the grand doors sits a newly built masterpiece, equipped with the latest modern features. Inside, there are 15 rooms in total, 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms with a jacuzzi. However, what makes this property really unique and perfect for wild parties are the recreational parts of the house. To these belong a one-of-a-kind 16-meter swimming pool with underwater speakers, a 12-seat movie theater, salon, spa, billiard room, and the best of all, a private double-height nightclub with DJ station. Currently sitting on the market with a price tag of $55 million, there is no doubt Bella Vista Ranch is a one-of-a-kind property, a type you usually only see in movies. Located on 20 acres of land in Summerlin, California, this home boasts 43,000 square feet of lavish living space. The mansion was built in 2005 and designed mainly in a Mediterranean style. The property sits just a minute from the nearest beach, and upon your arrival, you'll immediately notice it was made for throwing big parties. Inside, you'll find 6 bedrooms, 8 bathrooms, a gourmet kitchen, library, and 5 guest suites for your VIP visitors. In the main living room, there was certainly no expense spared, which can be seen with the crystal chandeliers, columns, and ornate ceilings. For wine lovers, hidden deep within the huge mansion is a formal dining area that comes with a huge 5,000-bottle wine cellar. The property, among all these things, includes a 20-seat movie theater, gym, salon, sports bar, helicopter hangar, parking for up to 100 cars, and even a 17-horse stable. However, the pièce de résistance of this palatial property is the disco room with shiny marble floors able to accommodate up to 200 people. Truly an ideal place to throw a party.